Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You have the workbook ready and a backup saved. Good. First, focus on the affected sheet and select the exact range where duplicates appear. This narrows scope and prevents accidental changes. Next, go to Home, Conditional Formatting, Manage Rules so you can see every rule against that selection. Once the Rules Manager opens, change the drop-down to show rules for the current selection. This reveals duplicates and order, which matters for precedence and stop if true behavior. Now inspect each rule's formula and scope. Inconsistent absolute or relative references often create apparent duplicates, so fix them so rules target the intended cells. Once done, compare rule conditions and formatting. If two rules do the same thing, edit one to broaden its scope, and then delete the redundant rule. Use Manage Rules Edit Rule to combine formats or change applies to ranges. Make sure the stop if true box is applied correctly, because ordering affects which rule wins. Finish by applying changes and scanning the range visually. Use Find Conditional Formatting or show formatting rules to confirm only intended rules remain. If results look off, use Evaluate Formula or add a helper column that returns true/false for the condition. This verifies logic without formatting. If confusion persists, clear the range's rules and recreate one clean rule with a tested formula. That often resolves hidden scope or precedence issues. If problems continue,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.